Hello there, this is Patricia from Pinky's World. Today I'm making a little Valentine's gift. Now this is obviously not Valentine's, but I made a version of it that's suitable for Father's Day, just to have something to show to you here. So this is the Father's Day version, and I'll have all the details of it next week on my blog. It contains 2 wee bars of chocolate and nice wee sentiments, all from the All Geared Up set. So I just want to show you the initial shape. This is what I'm going for with the one suitable for Valentine's Day. So what I'm using today is papers from All My Love, and the ribbon pack as well that goes with it. I'm using the lovely lipstick ribbon with the stitched edge. It's just beautiful, and it's going to go perfectly with this. So I have went ahead and prepared the card, and for it you're going to need 11 3/4 inches by 4 inches, and you need to score it. I don't know why when I was cutting it I just went ahead and scored it. My head was in a different place. So just score it on the long side at 3 6/8, 4 inches, 7 6/8 and 8 inches, and then just fold those up so that it gives you like the wee depth for your chocolate to fit in. And then we'll want to add our ribbon to this, and we're going to do so by using a piece of double-sided tape, narrow enough to fit your ribbon. The really broad one that I have is just too much. This one is just perfect. So we're just needed to go on the front page and down to this fold. So if you set it more or less in the middle, you should really mark it if you're not too sure, but I'm going to go for it. And hope for the best. So just seal it down and then chop it off. And you're just going to stick your ribbon there and allow yourself enough ribbon to either tie a knot or a bow, whichever you're going for yourself. I'd say about, I measured it earlier, didn't I? What did I write for it? I'm not sure, can't see it. I'd say a good wee bit anyway. Like, the best way is, right, I'm tying a bow, so bow it at that side, so you know you need from there for sure hanging over, so allow even a wee extra bit if you want. Pop that there, run that along, and then you know when that closes up, we're upside down, when that closes up it should come across the front. I can actually see my tape there, so I haven't stuck that on too well. You want to have that in the center if you can, the whole way around. Your paper's going to be on top of this, so it will hold it all in place for you. That's a bit better. So I know that's closing in there, and this is where it's tying, so if you tie yourself a rough bow, you'll know exactly what you need, or if you're just tying a knot, you'll need less. So that's just roughly so that I know where to cut my ribbon. So we're going to get rid of that. That comes in a wee double packed packet, matches the All My Love paper. It's called All My Love Ribbon Combo Pack, and it's in the suite in the catalogue, the Spring Summer catalogue. Beautiful ribbon, lovely and soft. So now we know that's where we want that. So we'll start with our front page, and for our front page we're using the stamp set called Meant to Be, and I have it sitting here with wee stamps out, lovely wee hearts and sentiments. So I have went ahead and used the wee small heart to do corners in each of these. I just thought it was a wee bit plain on its own, so we're going to stick those down. And I'm just going to go with a wet glue. wee bit extra there because we're sticking over the top of ribbon, and you want it to definitely take. So just line that up so it's nice and square. And that's your first page, and then go inside, get your next one, do the same again. You can see the lovely decoration on the other side. I actually have cut some of these hearts out to decorate each of these wee pages, which I'll show you shortly. Very simple to cut out. I didn't get the die cut set with this, there is a matching one, and I thought I'm going to have a go at it without the dies to see how I can get on. Now the only die that I'm really missing is the lovely heart border, and I've seen so many gorgeous cards made with it now I'm a bit ripping, but at least with the hearts I can hand cut them, no bother. So this is going to be where your chocolate is, so you have another page for it. These pages, by the way, are all cut at 3 5/8 by 3 6/8, and you need 5 sheets of them to cover each of your areas. Now this one's going to hold the chocolate, so you want to make sure the paper can hold the pressure. And the chocolate is simply stuck on with sticky dots or glue dots. I just wanted it easy to rip off. Didn't bother with pockets or whatever. If you want to go ahead, you could put a wee pocket in there and have it at that depth, but I just didn't want to do it today. I just wasn't in the pocket mood. So one more here, and then the inside front. And you can just go mad with your decoration. Just decide what you want to do. If you're making it for somebody like your husband or boyfriend or whatever, you know what would mean a lot to you. So I'm going to show you how I did the wee hearts here. Very simple, quick and easy stamping. I always worry when I have these ink pads open that I don't get something stuck in it. So just pat that a few times, turn that corner, and with the top of your heart line it up to either side there as close as you can. My head might get in the way here, hopefully not, but I want to make sure it's lined up. And just press it down. There's your wee heart. And some people might want to go that way with their heart. I just like doing it. I like all the hearts coming in the one direction. That's just me, but you decide yourself. And that's how quick and easy it was. Just cleaning this off. So we'll decorate this up and then we'll come back to the ink again. So pop your last one on, and then we'll start decorating it. It is very quick and easy to make, and it makes a nice wee package to hand somebody. I wouldn't recommend posting it, mind you, with the chocolate in it. So we'll do our decoration. I have a lot of wee items here cut out now. I stamped one of the hearts using lovely lipstick. It's this lovely flowery one here. So it's going to be my front there. I have punched with the Everyday Label punch and used the Happy Valentine's Day, all in the same lovely lipstick ink. It's going to sit sort of jauntily there. That's going to be under it, and I'm going to have one of the stripy ones on top of it. So we'll put some dimensionals on it. So just decide where you want your central piece. right in the center or whatever. Just be careful of your hearts. This heart is going to actually stick to that, so we could put a wee bit of glue on the back of that just to hold it all in place. So you can either go straight, or I'm going to go jaunty today. So we'll just go there. And then this wee one we'll add with the dimensional. I love these wee stripy hearts, really sweet. Just pop it there. And that's your front done. So, whoops, inside I have went with one of the hearts from the back. And we're just going to pop it right in the center, and then I have stamped to the best friend a girl could ever ask for, and I'm going to put it across a wee bit jauntily too, just like that. I have just stamped it onto Whisper White, cut it a wee bit longer than what I needed, and rounded the edges, and then added 2 of the wee stamped hearts on dimensionals just to give it a wee bit of whatever. So just add this on with glue. I might just put it straight and add this with a wee bit of jaunt. Now don't raise too many things up, because you're closing this. You want this to close, and you're going to have 2 bars of chocolate in there, and that's already your bulk. So be careful on how many dimensionals you actually use. So that would be nice sitting there. Then next would be your chocolates. I have 2 wee Hershey bars. I'm not even going to decorate them. You could cover them with a wee band of the matching paper if you want them not to be seen. I'm just going to head for quickness today. A sticky dot on the back, set it in there. I think it actually might be nicer decorated up, so just do that. Just put a wee band on it. Hershey's are okay if they're not decorated up for the men, but I think for the... Well, mind you, who am I giving this to? I'm giving it to a boy, aren't I? My husband will not mind. So, next page, another heart. Put the glue on. Set it in the center again. Whoops. And this wee one, I have done the same. It's I Love Our Life Together. I have already stamped 2 wee hearts and hand cut them out. So I have wee tiny dimensionals on them, which are sticking to me. And just pop those to either side. Oops. And again, a wee bit of glue on the back. And we'll go the opposite direction this time, this way. I Love Our Life Together. So that's sweet. Now we have one more to decorate here, and I was just actually going to stamp, which I should have done first because now I'm all wobbly. I was going to stamp directly onto it. I'm afraid of it not taking. I'm going to go on to the paper, and it's going to say meant to be. So I'm just sticking this onto my block. And use the lovely lipstick again. Go this way. When would that fit a circle? Or actually, I'm thinking out loud here, I should have had this done, but yeah, I'm going to do this. I'm going to use this wee heart on the back of the thing, right, so we'll wet that up again, and we'll just try and get this on the heart. Oh, flip me pink, I did it upside down. Don't be doing that. Make sure you're stuck the right way up. No, Try and get it in there. Meant to be. Yes, that's better, isn't it? So close this up. Oh, here, wait. I want to do 2E. We'll have 2E striped hearts. Okay. Close it up and cut that out. So just cut round the edges. Leave a wee white border. When you get to that wee bit of letter, just cut round it. Trim that off a wee bit. And then we just want to stick this on. Oh, I've got the wrong one out. I am not wise in the head. Oh, she's for shouting at me down there. Oh, Tricia, what are you at to do? So, cut this out. Cut the right one out. Don't make the mistake of stamping the wrong one like I did. I'm cutting this out very quickly now. It's a numpty. So, and I have 2 striped ones which you could pop in under there and in under there just to break it up. So, I'm not even going to bother raising these up because I think there's enough raise as it is. We'll just stick this on. You could actually get away with just that, you know, if you wanted. I will stick it under, have it done anyway, sure. But you play about with your own when you've more time than me. Do this one on the outside. And there you have it, all nicely put together. A wee romantic gift for somebody for the Valentine's Day. Tie up your bow and trim off where you have to. So there you are, that's it. We got there in the end. But that's part of their creativeness. You want to change things as you go along. So I'll have all the details about this one next week, and this one will be on my blog on Thursday. So hopefully you'll have a wee go at it. I think it's really pretty wee thing, and it's just 2 wee bars of chocolate. You could put a gift card or some other kind of sweets that they like, but make sure they're nice and flat so it's nothing desperate, and they'll be able to set it up in the fireplace or whatever. So that's me. All the details, sizes, etc. will be down below. So if you have a go and you want to share it with me, I'd love to see it. And thanks for dropping by today. Bye.